Welcome you all to Mofai Dharwad YouTube channel. Here Palak Paneer rice recipe is before you. I use 2 bunches of palak, 2 green chilies, garlic, 1 inch of ginger, roughly chopped onion, coconut, 4 cloves and 2 pieces of cinnamon and a cardamom, 4 teaspoons of ghee, 4 teaspoons of cooking oil, 1 bowl of pieces of paneer, finely chopped onion, salt, half teaspoon of garam masala and boiled rice. Now I take palak, coconut, onion, chili, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 2 cloves, garlic, ginger and a cardamom to grind. As you see, the paste is very fine. Use the pan. Heat oil and ghee. Now add remaining 2 cloves and cinnamon. Add pieces of paneer and finely chopped onion. Fry those all till get golden color. It doesn't take more time to prepare. Actually, it's very easy recipe. Within a few minutes we can prepare this. Now it's very correct. So now I add the grinded paste. Boil it for 5 to 6 minutes. Water content should not be there. Till then I fry it very properly. Stir it frequently. Now it's correct. As we see, there is no water content. It's right time to add little garam masala. Fry it for a few minutes. Add salt for taste. If it needs, use the oil again. Let it be heat and mix it up well. Now it's very perfect. It's right time to add the rice. As I told you before only, I boiled the rice. Mix it up very well. Taste it once. Add little salt if necessary. Now very delicious and healthy palak paneer rice is ready to serve.